Hey guys, what's up? I am back. I am headed to Tennessee for the day. It is 7 a.m. Cleveland Hopkins Airport. Nashville, Tennessee this weekend. We got the 2018 Nashville Fashion Focus Show. It's gonna be a blast. I'm really looking forward to having a good weekend and getting good vibes. See you guys there. We made it. We landed Nashville. It was a quick hour-and-a-half flight. Wasn't too bad. Just checked into the hotel. Got my man Patty Cuts in the house, checking in. He's one of the guys that I'll be working along with this weekend. Should be a good time. We got a couple more guys, Van, Tristan, and of course the road dog, Kenny Judge. We'll see him soon. Kenny Judge. What's up, bro?
How are we?
How you doing?
Just thinking about you guys.
Come on. Fashion Focus.
What's this guy? 6610. Say less, bro. Say less.
Could you see it? Yeah.
Backstage right here. Let me see. Turn around real quick. Yeah. Presentation cut. We just got off stage. It was a blast. An hour of design. Time to get out to the floor and handle some business out here.
And like went right to the
Wait, it was good?
yeah, whatever you
Oh yeah, that was me. It wasn't Patty.
time, and they just all turned around and they were all like grabbing the clippers.
Nice, nice. How are we looking? Is it better in the morning? I gotta sell out today.
I'll check. Yeah, we need to sell out today.
Yeah.
Yesterday was a good day. We killed the show. Today should probably be more of a chill day. Last day. Mondays are a lot of students, so a lot of good questions. We're ready to go. Ready, ready, ready. I am all mic'd up, ready to go. About to get my last presentation of the weekend done. It's been a hell of a weekend. We got my guy prepping his model, getting ready to go as well.
Heck yeah.
A little bit of backstage action for you guys. Boom. Okay. Backstage right here. We just had lunch. Good old lunch. So I went ahead and softened that up. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side and start shaping up his beard as well.
I use it for, most barbers use holding spray just to do designs and to do like nice crispy shape ups. Clip over comb just to break down some of the weight right here. I'm still going to break down just a little weight so it can blend all the way in.
It was a good day. We killed it. We fuck shit up. That's what we do, man. We get on stage and we tear it up. And then, so we're on our way out now. Good show, good day. A little tired. My feet hurt, and I'm hungry. That's all. How you feel about today?
I mean, damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
You guys ever went to a farm and saw a goat? No? But here go right there.
Right there, bad.
The goat.
Bad. There we go.
Van, how was your day, man?
Oh man, it was amazing, man. Listen, to be up on stage with you and Patty, listen, couldn't be no better.
So it's time to go. Head out. Peace out, y'all. Peace out.
That's a wrap.